Hi, I am Lemon, and in this video I'll show you how to fix an external hard drive that is corrupted, unreadable or taking a long time to open. If Windows detects your drive but you can't access the files, I will show you two methods you can try to troubleshoot the problem. Let's get started. First, connect your external hard drive to your computer. Open File Explorer and find the drive under this PC. If the drive takes a long time to respond or Windows shows an error saying the drive is corrupted or unreadable, don't worry. We'll start with the command prompt method. Open the Windows Start menu and search for command prompt. Right click command prompt and select Run as administrator. When the command prompt window opens, type the following command. You will find this command in the video description. Replace F with the drive letter assigned to your external hard drive, such as D or E. Make sure the drive letter is correct before pressing enter. Windows will now scan the drive and attempt to fix file system errors. Depending on the size and condition of the drive, this process can take some time. You will see different messages appear while the scan is running. So just let the process finish. Once it's complete, close command prompt and check your external hard drive again in File Explorer. If you can access the drive normally, you are all set. If the problem is related to permissions instead, there is another method you can try. First, right-click the drive you want to access and select Properties. Go to the Security tab. Then click Edit. Here, you can check whether your Windows user account has permissions to access the drive. To find your Windows username, right-click the taskbar and open Task Manager. Go to the User section. You will see the username associated with your Windows account. Go back to the Drive Security settings. Click Add. Enter your Windows username. Then click Check Names. Windows should verify the account name automatically. Click OK. Select your username from the list and make sure the necessary permissions are allowed, such as full control. Then click Apply and OK. Windows may take some time to apply the permissions, especially if the drive contains a large number of files. Once the process is finished, click OK to close the remaining windows. Now try opening the external hard drive again. And that's it. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tech tutorials.